the world of endless possibilities with Joyce Ababio College of Creative Design, now JACCD Design Institute Africa's photography courses. I know you are definitely thinking that photography is all about capturing moments.
Have you thought about the creation of powerful visuals that drive trends and influence industries? From product shoots, fashion photography, wildlife photography, landscape photography, sport photography, food journalism, and many more, to capturing decisive moments that drive political campaigns. All of these capture detailed images and videos for documentation and analysis. The demand for skilled photographers is ever growing.
Are you aware that the global photography market is projected to reach over $44 billion by 2025? Yes, $44 billion. Companies are now investing into high-quality visual content, and even politics now relies heavily on impactful imagery.
Whether you are interested in our intensive 6-month course or our comprehensive 1-year course, JACCD-DIA equips you with the needed skills to thrive in a booming industry.
Join us today and capture the future of photography. Enroll now at JACCD-DIA and turn your passion into a thriving career. At JACCD, we say, step inside, think outside.